Thank you. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Petco Park.
And on behalf of the entire San Diego team, let me welcome you to America's finest city.
Welcome back, everybody. Hello. How is everyone? Come on, come on.
Let me be the 29th person to say to you, welcome back.
For those from out of town, welcome. And while you're here in San Diego, break out that wallet.
Well, this is the true husband and wife story right here. So for those that are married that work with their significant others, God bless you. There is no punching a clock and being able to escape. So
I am proud to announce and proud to be the title sponsor for Season 2 Ready Capital of Season 2 of the SBA Roadshow.